Welcome. In this video, we will explore how to perform recursive queries in SQL using common table expressions or CTEs to handle hierarchical data structures. A recursive query is a query that references itself to retrieve data in a hierarchical format. This is particularly useful for data structures like organizational charts or product categories. Common table expressions or CTEs provide a way to define temporary result sets that can be referenced within a select, insert, update, or delete statement. Their syntax is straightforward, making them ideal for recursive queries. A recursive CTE consists of two parts: the anchor member, which retrieves the base result set, and the recursive member, which references the CTE itself to fetch additional rows. This structure allows you to build up results iteratively. Let us consider an example of an employee hierarchy where each employee has a manager. This structure can be represented in a table, and we will use a recursive CTE to query the hierarchy. Here is an example SQL query using a recursive CTE to retrieve all employees under a specific manager. I will explain each part of the code to clarify how the recursion works. After executing the recursive CTE, you will get a result set that shows all employees under the specific manager. This output can be further visualized as a hierarchy for better understanding. While recursive queries are powerful, they can lead to performance issues if not managed properly. It is important to limit recursion depth and optimize your queries to ensure efficient execution. Recursive queries can be applied in various scenarios beyond hierarchies, such as generating bills of materials or navigating tree structures in data. Understanding these applications can broaden your SQL skills. In conclusion, recursive queries using CTEs are a powerful tool for managing hierarchical data in SQL. I encourage you to practice writing recursive queries to enhance your data manipulation skills. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share with others.